Here's a quick guide for using Blender to move the root of a weapon. So let's go ahead and open up. I'm using Blender 2.8 because that seems to run best on my system, but it should be a similar process. So you want to hit delete, just delete this default cube that's in the middle. Go to File, select Import, choose FBX, and then wherever your FBX is located, go and select that. Click Import FBX. And scroll in with your mouse or get close to it. Then you'll need to do middle mouse, hold down to be able to zoom around it. So you'll want to select, so right click on the weapon to select it, hit tab, and that puts you into edit mode. And then you'll need to make sure that you're able to move. And you can see here, now I am moving the weapon where that marker is in the grip. So right about there, go ahead and leave edit mode here, center mouse to scroll around. That's pretty close. You'll be able to tweak it from there. But now the weapon is at root. So you can go to File, export the FBX. You can then save it to your desktop. Very good. So now you should have a weapon that is correctly in there, and it should be placed much better. You can reset inside of your weapon system to have the weapon location at 000 and then tweak it from there so that it should start out right about the same location that it needs to be. The hand will be right at that grip, and then you can adjust the left hand.